Let's make the Overproof Daiquiri from Planteray Rum. To make this drink, we're going to start with our simple syrup. This is a 1-to-1 simple syrup. I do use organic cane sugar, which is why it's a little bit darker. I do make my own. Recipe is here on the channel. Video will be linked down below if you want to check it out. We're going to put in 1/3 of an ounce, which is 10 milliliters of our simple syrup, 1-to-1. Next, our lime juice. We are going to put in 1/2 ounce of our fresh squeezed lime juice. 1/2 ounce is 15 milliliters. 1/2 ounce of our OFTD Planteray Rum. 1/2 ounce, 15 milliliters. So this is the overproof portion. And finally, our Stiggins Fancy Pineapple Rum from Planteray Rum. We're going to put in a full ounce of this, which is 30 milliliters. We're going to add some ice. Sorry, I was a little distracted there for a moment. And we're going to give this a shake. I'm going to quickly grab 2 things I forgot, and one of them is my fine mesh strainer, because we're going to double strain this into the glass. Official glass is a coupe. I'm using an Anderson Ancestral coupe. You can use whatever kind of coupe you got. And my lime, so I can put a twist of lime in this. I don't often do twists of lime. Give it an expression, wipe, and drop. And it sinks. It doesn't sink. It fell in the glass anyway. Anyway, this is your Planteray Rum's Overproof Daiquiri. I have trouble saying all those words in a row. Anyway, drink with good spirits.